Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a store on Etsy. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, you're in Google Chrome or use any browser in your desktop or in your phones. You will have to go to etsy.com/sell. From there, you will have this button that will say get started. So all you have to do is press that and let's do this. So here, it will bring you to this page where it questions you what brings you to Etsy. So you can choose to skip this question, and here if you like help with anything, you may choose the categories in this section right here on what you are selling. So let's just pretend we're selling internationally and let's press next. So here you can start your shop now, which is pretty cool. And then here your language, country, so let's just do United Kingdom for some reason, and the shop currency. So you'll have to name your shop, of course, stock your shop, choose how you'll get paid, share your billing info, and the shop security. So let's just place here random shop for now. Random shop 123, and let's just remove the spaces as stated right here. So here we have what random shop 123. So let's just do this and then save and continue. Then let's do digital. Then who made it? You'll have to categorize that and what is it? It's a finished product, and let's say you did it. And when was it made? Just made to order, created by me, or with the AI generator. So you can also add production partners right here. So let's save and continue this. All we have to add a category. So let's just place pillow for now, or just digital prints. So let's just save and continue. So here you'll have the title, the photos, and the description of that item. Personalization is also available here, and you can set the price and inventory. You can add SKU here, and you have the variations. So it will be digital, so there's no variations. Tags and attributes will come here in different categories, primarily color, width, height, orientation, and tags. So you have to be very specific with your own product here. So you will be having shipping, settings, and many much more. So you can save and continue from there, but you'll have to place up the quantity right here. Let's just place one and random so that we can just continue. And title. So you'll need at least one photo, of course, to proceed, and then you'll choose how to get paid right here. You can choose your PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard, and anything else. Share your billing info with them. So how will you get billed with Etsy and your shop security from there. And then you'll be done with your own Etsy website in no time. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.